Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today is it the last day of August, or is this the day? Oh, it's the second to last day of August. Hey, I'm doing really good. I'm opening my Witch's Moon August 2021 box. I just promised myself that no matter how busy I got, I was going to open these boxes before August, and here I am. I'm so excited. Let's check it out. Okay, we've got a beautiful little card here. She of the Lotus. Interesting. The Stone Guide. Woo! Let's see what's contained in the box. Okay, put that aside. Chamomile. Devil's Nettle. Mabon Blend Herbal Tea. We got a big old, looks like rosemary. Definitely rosemary. Smoke one. I love rosemary. It's a favorite herb of mine. Rose Haw, which looks like rose hips to me. So they're probably the same thing. We've got a beautiful muslin tea bag. Got some dilly bobbies here. The Harvest Home, beautiful. Black Tourmaline, very, very nice. I love these. I love these. Silver, gold. Wow, I love it. And then we have, let's see here. Oh, it's a tourmaline. Nice. And we have, ooh, that's a big one. Ooh, the ritual oil leaked a little bit, but it is Mabon. It's wet. Let me get a baby here. My incense is sitting really heavy in the room. I think it's because I'm tired and the energy's a bit stagnant. Nice. Very nice. It smells pretty good, but it's not like what I think of as traditional fall scents, which is like, you know, your apple and pumpkin spice. The Dark Welcoming Sacred Salt. Ooh, that sounds so cute. We've got a candle here. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful golden one. Love the color. Oh, and I love the smell. Oh my god. We have the Olibanum. I don't know, let's smell it. Smells also really, really good. And then I did get spoiled on this one, guys. I'm so freaking excited, but I got spoiled. And I was so tired last night after the second round of the yard sale, and I was just calculating orders, and I was just getting everything done. And I checked Instagram for a dang second, and they had posted the review of their August thing, and I saw it and I was like, oh, that's so awesome. But then it's just like, I just closed it really quickly because I try not to get spoilers. And then like a couple minutes later, I'm like, why am I so anxious? And I was like, oh, because my surprise is ruined, and I'm kind of like, I guess, upset about it. So I don't have this book, and I've been it's literally in my Amazon wish list. It is a hardcover. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. It May the spirits of the stones bring you comfort and companionship. Blessed be the Witch's Moon. This is amazing. I have the other one. They did Scott Cunningham's herbal book, and I have their version as well. This is amazing. I love it. I refer to the Cunningham books quite frequently. He is a good resource. I am so, look at this edging. Oh my god, I put the Cunningham book back up because I was trying to clean up to make space for the yard sale. But I'm so psyched. I cannot even I'm so psyched. I'm going to read the insert, but really quick, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and it helps you guys see me, which I'm assuming that you want to do because you're subscribed to my channel. Okay. We find ourselves completely involved in our desire to understand, relate to, and honor all the gifts of the earth. Within these natural artifacts, we find assistance in all manners of life, from needing assurance to yearning for healing and peace, to amplifying our ability to draw prosperity and abundance into our reality. We rely on the treasures buried beneath us within the sacred soil. In this extremely exclusive and one-of-a-kind collection, we provide further knowledge for you to incorporate into your practice. Here are the magical items. Exclusive hardcover Cunningham's Encyclopedia of Crystal, Gem, and Metal Magic. Oh my god, I'm so excited. A small note from the Witch's Moon. So it goes on a little bit about Scott Cunningham, but Scott Cunningham is a good resource. I'm so excited. A black tourmaline stone. Usually too brittle for jewelry, black tourmaline is seldom commercially available. It is used for grounding purposes and to represent the earth and spells relating to that element. It is also protective, for it absorbs negativity when charged for that purpose via visualization. Very nice. And a Book of Shadows artwork for the black tourmaline. Beautiful. A Book of Shadows artwork for gold. I collect these. I'll have to show you guys how I've been binding these. The silver Book of Shadows artwork. The Mabon Blend Ritual Tea. Citrus Chamomile Herbal Tisane. Chamomile Orange Peel Hibiscus Flowers. Soothing and charming herbal tea blend to settle you into relaxation. Very cool. Very, very cool. Sounds delicious. Extra large rosemary sage bundle. Oh, I didn't see the sage. I don't see any sages. Must be in the middle. It smells divine. To assist you in preparing for any Mabon celebrations or rituals, we have included a rosemary sage bundle. A very prominent herb in the craft, rosemary carries a long list of beneficial effects and uses native to the Mediterranean. It's can reach up to 5 feet tall. Brings you protection and clarity. It's a wonderful herb. I absolutely love it, and I grow it every year here at Hound Dog Hollow. This is rose hips, rose haw, or rose hips. Red seed pods you might find scattered in your garden. Witch's bottles and mojo bags for cleansing and clarity. It can be strung into a necklace to draw love into your space. They're also extremely rich in vitamin C, so they're really good for you. Devil's Nettle herb is the herb of Mabon. Yarrow brings a refreshing energy to... Oh, it's yarrow. I love the Witch's Moon. Do not get me wrong. I absolutely adore them. But I hate when they put different names on it and I have to be like, oh, I got a new herb. And then I'm like, it's yarrow. Which I love. Yarrow is really, really good. There's a lot of really good uses for yarrow. It's an attraction herb. It brings friends and loved ones near you. It also has an element of bravery, if I'm not mistaken. Chamomile herb. Wonderful herb. Most calming and relaxing of herbs. Bring us in line with peaceful and restful energies. There's the Harvest Home spell candle. It's hand rolled. So here's the candle. I love the color. Cinnamon, clove, frankincense, and myrrh. It smells amazing. Harvest Home Sabbath Blessing artwork. So that's the artwork. And this is the candle. The dark, welcoming, celebratory sacred salt. The dark half of the year. I cannot wait for you because I'm so sick of this light half crap. Let's see. It has clove, rose, chamomile, as well as lavender, rose, and rosemary. It has equinox oil from their special cabinet of witchery. Olibanum ritual incense sticks. Oh, shoot, I missed the Mabon magical anointing oil. Intention of soothing your nerves and instilling protection and stability. Sweet orange, cedarwood, chamomile, rosemary, and calendula herbs with the Lemurian corpse and a soothing sight magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. And then the celebratory salt has clove, rose, chamomile oils and lavender, rose, and rosemary herb with equinox magical oil. And then their olibanum ritual incense sticks, grounding and calming energy. Personalized oracle reading from the Beyond Lumaria Oracle Cards Pocket Edition. And then, of course, parchment paper. This box is just like why I keep with Witch's Moon after like 3 years of being subscribed to them. Number one, they're always doing something different. And number two, they like set the bar so high. So like this is something I would never get rid of. This is amazing. I'm so excited. It's so versatile. Just about anybody can use it in their practice. And it's beautiful and high quality. So I'm just so excited about this box. I'm so happy that I got it. I highly recommend them to you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll talk to you soon.